Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Geek. Today we will see the topic advancement of microprocessor. A microprocessor is an integrated chip that contains much of the processing capabilities of a computer. An integrated chip is a small and programmable. There are many companies in the world which are manufacturing the microprocessor chips with different technologies and with different word size. That means which can be expressed in bits, that is binary digit. Example: Intel, Toshiba, Motorola, Zilog, etc. Following is the chart which shows the advancement from one generation to next generation. Here you can see this chart. In the first generation, in the year 1971, Intel's 4004 microprocessor comes, and the word size in bits is 4. It has the capability which could perform arithmetic and logical operations. In year 1971 only, Intel's next version of microprocessor, that is 4040, comes into existence, having 4 bits of word size. Again, Toshiba's T3472 word size is 4 bits, which is similar to the first microprocessor or second microprocessor 4040. In year 1972, Intel's 8008 microprocessor came, and whose word size is 8 bits. That is, this is first 8-bit microprocessor in the year 1972. Again, it could perform arithmetic and logic operations. Now, in the second generation of microprocessor in the year 1972, Intel's 8080 microprocessor, which is having the word length of 8 bits, that is enhanced version of 8008. Motorola 6800 and Zilog Z80, these are also 8-bit microprocessor came into existence. In year 1976, Intel's 8085, which we will study now in detail, that 8085 microprocessor came into existence in 1976, 8-bit microprocessor. Next is in the year 1977, Intersil company IM6100 introduced again one more new microprocessor chip, that is 12-bit microprocessor, and Toshiba's T8190 12-bit microprocessor came in the market. In the third generation, from year 1972 to 1980, Intel's 8086 microprocessor, Zilog 8000, Motorola 68000, Intel 8088. So, 2 Intel microprocessor and 1 Zilog and 1 Motorola microprocessor, all are 16-bit microprocessor, came into existence. In the fourth generation, in the year 1981 and 1982, Intel's 80386 and Intel's 80486 in the year 1982 came in the market, which is having word size is 32-bit. IAPX 432, Hewlett Packard's HP32, these are the new some more microprocessor in the market at that time. Again, Motorola 68020. In the fifth generation, in the year 1993, Intel gives some new microprocessor in the market, that is Pentium, Pentium 2, Pentium 3, having 64 word size in bits. And after 1996, Celeron, Xenon, DX4, i3, i7, these are enhanced version of microprocessor in the market. So, these are in short advancement of microprocessor or generation of microprocessor.